All right, thank you for finding this video. I'm making this full screen so you can see it. This is Mr. Fowler, and this is our first sort of screencast, screen share video. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your notebooks for lesson 3. Pretty much only going to show you like 3 or 4 pages. I just want you to set up your table of contents. That'll give you a good preview of what's to come. And if you want to get started on doing some of the vocab stuff, you can. All right, so as you can see here, lesson 3 is going to be our exploration on explorers. Sorry if that's a little bit redundant, but here is where you're going to put your title page. You're going to put it on page 21. Those of you that have been kind of absent, missed lesson 2, or if you came to school a little bit late, go ahead and start here. As you can see, this is on the left-hand side of the notebook, so the 3 holes should appear on this side of your page. Just go ahead and call this page 21 so you're on the same page as everybody else. So here is going to be your title page for lesson 3. The nice thing about these videos is, 1, you get to hear my lovely voice, but also 2, you can push stop anytime you have a question or want to stop and write stuff down. So feel free to do that, or rewind if you miss something, and you can work at your own pace. How nice. All right, so here's page 21. I'm going to move on to the next page right now. Okay, take a look at this. Oh my God, so much fun / so much work for you to do in lesson 3. Here is an excellent preview of what it is we're going to be working on and what you could get a jump start on if you wanted to. Okay, this will effectively become your to-do list as you work your way through lesson 3. Here you go, page 22 is where this information will go. You've got your table of contents here on 22. QFT preview, page 23, chapter 2 vocab, page 24, and you can read the rest of these. I don't have to read it for you. What I think you should do is number your pages all the way up to 36 and then put these things as headings on each of the pages so you know what it is that you have to do. I can tell you right now about 3/4 of these things we will do in class, or at least give you time to start in class, and only about 25% of them means that you have to do these at home. So please make sure as you're thinking about the next 2 to 3 weeks of work in here that you are utilizing your class time wisely. I'm going to move on, but if you need to stop here to write this list down, go ahead and hit pause. All right, moving on. Page 23 is the QFT page. We're going to do this in class, so just make sure you put a heading on here. And then on page 24, as promised by the table of contents, this is where your chapter 2 vocab is going to go. As you know, as we've been doing, you're going to just write the vocab words down and draw a symbol or picture or use it in a sentence. This is or, so you don't have to do all 3 if you don't want to. Okay? All you're doing is you're basically proving to me that you know what the word means and that you can use these words in an intelligent way if and when we are asked to use them in class. Okay, there are 6 total words. They are defined in the textbook. They're the, as you know, they're the blue bolded words. Along with this video post, it's also going to be a copy of chapter 2 digitally. So if you wanted to work on your vocab, now you can. All right, and you know what? That's it. That's all I'm going to show you, because the rest of this we're going to work our way through in class. I just want to see you get started. So here's what I'm going to be checking and possibly giving those people who do this extra credit on. I'm going to be checking to see if indeed you have this information down, but also if indeed you have your table of contents down here. If you have your headings on all these pages up to 36, that would be great. And if you have these pages numbered all the way to 36, that would also help you out in the long run as well. Okay, so that's all I got for you for this video. It's a short and sweet one. Until I talk to you next time, which will be this video lecture here that'll go on page 25. All right, talk to you later. Thanks.